Hello children, today we are going to learn how to write capital H and cursive H in our English 4-line notebook. As you all know, this is our first red line, second and third one are blue in color and fourth one is again red in color. So let's begin with the capital H. So put your pencil on the first red line and let's make a standing line going from top to bottom like this and touching the second blue line. Again, you will go back to the top red line and make one more standing line from top to bottom. That will again touch the second blue line. Now, join the first standing line to the second standing line with a small sleeping line on the blue line. This is how you write your capital H. Now let's write cursive H. So again we will start with a sleeping curve and take it up and reach the first red line. Turn it around to make a loop, and this loop will cut through the first blue line and bring it down. Again you will touch the second blue line. And now we will go back on the same line and now we'll make a curve touching the first blue line and come down to touch the second blue line and make a slight curve like this. This is how you write your cursive H. Let's write one more time. So let's start with the small sleeping curve and now we're going to go up and touch the red line. Let's make a loop and come down and touch the second blue line. We're not going to lift up our pencil. Go back on the same line, touch the blue line and make a curve and come back to the blue line and end it with a small curve. This is how